Good morning, everyone. How is everyone today? I'm bringing you in today because I want to show you what I do to doctor up rotisserie chicken when I get them. The first thing is I like to get the ones that are not burned too crispy because this way they are not too dry. The next step is I take my chicken apart, taking the backs off and whatever fat, and I place it in here. This step is pretty simple. So I have here about 4 lemons that freshly squeezed, 3 cloves of garlic, some olive oil, and a good quality oregano, and some salt to taste. I'm just going to take this, put it in here, and then I'm going to mix it in my little oyster mixer. Okay, now that I have blended my seasoning mix, my brine, or whatever you want to call this, I put it back into the measuring cup. And I'm going to add a little bit of this. You don't have to add this. I choose to add it because I have 2 chickens here. And all I'm going to do now is drizzle this over my chicken and allow my chicken to sit for at least an hour or so, and then I'm going to put it in my air fryer for crispiness, or you can put it in your oven at 400 degrees until everything gets, you get it to where you want it. The reason I like this to sit for about an hour is because I want the chicken to absorb all the flavors that are in here. And most likely I will put it in the air fryer, which is why I say that when you get the chicken, make sure that you don't get the ones that's too burnt, because then your chicken will be too dry. Okay, so here we go. It's gonna be enough. But you can certainly add as much garlic or as little as you want when you make this mix. And I promise you, you're gonna love it. Oops. Okay guys, let's give this chicken some love. I will say that I do this quite a bit. I buy rotisserie and I just doctor it up however I want. And I love it that way because people always think that I cooked like I went the long way. But honestly, I do this quite often, and I do quite a bit of different things with my rotisserie chicken to give it flavor. Because sometimes you buy it and it doesn't taste like anything. So there you have it, guys. All I'm going to do is rub the marinade down, cover my chicken, and let it sit until I'm ready to put it in the air fryer. Alright guys, so here goes my chicken. I've already preheated my Ninja Foodie. I put it in, and now I'm just going to get them crispy. Hey guys, I'm sorry, I totally forgot to take a picture of the finished product.